Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw lips in the easiest way. So all you need is just your sketchbook, a pencil and a few different pencils. Different graphic pencils. So let's get started. First of all, you just need to draw a horizontal line. And then just half it from the middle and just make a cross. Okay, so now all you need to do is just drawing a little circle on the top of the line and two circles on each side of the line on the bottom. So these are basically are the muscles. So it also makes it easier for us to understand where are the more volumes of lips and where do we need to show more highlights. So now it is time to draw the shape of the lips. And so the center of the middle on top is a little bit lower than the sides, and the bottom, as you see, I'm kind of joining these two lines together like a triangle, and then I draw a straight line in the middle and makes the shape. So the shape of lips is kind of up to you. It depends what kind of lips do you like to draw. So my one is a normal one. It's not too wide, not too narrow. So that's the basic shape of the lips, and with all the instructions and everything. So this time I'm going to repeat everything again, but a little bit with less lines and less lines and circles and things. So this time we know what exactly we're doing, and we straight away start drawing the shape. So that's the top one, and you see the circles are helping me to find out how wide or how big I need to draw it. So now I need to rub off the circles inside the lips, because I already have the shape and I know how wide the lip is, and it's time to make it more realistic and start shading it. Okay guys, so now I'm using one of my darker pencils and start drawing on top of the lip lines again, and I'll make it a little bit darker, and the corner of the lips and the middle line, that needs to be a bit more shown as well. Okay, after finishing the lip lines, it's time to start shading from the corner of the lips, but very smoothly, no pressure on your hand. Just try to make the corner a little bit dark, but very smoothly, and later on we will use the fading stump to blend them, and so that's the first step to do the shading. and then we will go on top of it again and again to make it more realistic. So if you want to be more specific and go a bit more like to have more space to work on, just you can even use smaller fading stump or blending stump. So yeah, if you have a smaller one, so you can control it more easily. So yeah, now I'm going to use this pencil, and so it is important that you have sharpened your pencils before doing this part, because now we need it. We need to make some lines and to show the like exact details on the lips, so it is better to have a sharpened pencil. As you might have noticed, I am trying to not draw straight lines, and like when you're shading, try to show the volume of the lips by going kind of curved, not straight. So that shows the 3D, and also it's make it more realistic. So these little details can change everything. I mean, so if you just draw a straight line and very sharp and do not follow the direction, so at the end you will not get the result that you are looking for. Normally the corner of the lips are more dark, and the center or the middles are more, there's more highlights on it. So just try to show it when you are shading. So try to not make the center parts very dark, because um, it doesn't really look realistic if you do it. And also, if you did by mistake, so it's always correctable, so you can just use your eraser again and just try to rub it off, and yeah, make it more white or bright. So yeah, now I'm using my mechanical pencil just to give it some more details. So now we are nearly done, and you can see in 10 minutes we could just draw a lip very easily. So, and now I'm just shading on top of the lips and on the bottom just to show it, to make it more 3D and show the darkness on top and bottom, and just to show, to make clear the volume of the lips. And now I'm using my blending stump to make it smooth. That's it. I really hope you found this video useful and learned something new today. If you have any suggestion for my next videos, please do not hesitate and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me with your likes and comments. And if you have any question, I'm always ready to answer. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was useful to you. And yeah, this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching. So see you next time. Bye.